I'm uploading this invoice to SharePoint to get the approvals prior to payment. Who needs to approve this? Oh, yes, Joe and Anika. Now I just need to click the Get Approvals button.
The document looks good. I'm approving this document.
Document is ready. I'm approving this document.